This conference will now be recorded. Will be recorded.
Hello guys, am I audible? Last two classes we have discussed something about hernia. Today we will see something about two most important topics in both practically and theoretically. Every year one question will come from these either of these two topics. Hello, can someone reply me? Am I audible or not? Okay. Now I will tell only two topics for this class. One is triage and there is GCS. These two topics are important topics, both practically and theoretically. Practically, these are important topics because those patients who come to your emergency ward, you have to apply these two on these patients. Triage. When you will apply triage, when a bus accident occurs nearby your hospital, uh, more people will come to your hospital urgently, na? So we have to triage those patients which patients require treatment and which patients require late treatment and which patient does not require treatment. Okay, that is called triage. Triage is nothing but sorting out by based on their clinical problems and requiring of treatment. Triage depends on color coding. Okay, anyone knows about this color coding? How many colors are present in this triage? 4 colors will be there. No one is answering. Can anyone guess? Red, yellow, green, black. These are color coding for triage. Okay. Based on these colors only, you can decide how these are divided. Red means it is an emergency. Patient needs emergency treatment, urgent treatment. Okay. Patient is having ongoing bleeding, blood loss, and he is in critical situation. If treatment is not given, patient will die immediately or nearby 1 or 2 hours. So treatment is urgent for this red red color red patient. Then yellow. Yellow is nothing but patient requires treatment. Patient requires treatment, but it will take some time. You can give treatment after treating the red colored patients, like fracture and minor bleeding. Hello, minor bleeding. These all come in yellow. Okay. Then green. Green is like patient is ambulatory and patient is walks on himself, walks on no, he don't need any support and no active bleeding, only minor bruises and contusion which can be treated later on. And even if treatment is also not there, patient will not have any problem. Then it is green. What about black? Can anyone guess? What is black? Hello? Black means, yeah, someone replied. No need of treatment means patient is already dead. So no need of treatment. Even treatment is given, no use of this treatment. So these are color coding. Very important one, smaller one, 2 marks. It is important. It can be your question for both SPM and surgery topic. Today I'm discussing these two topics because actually you are in fifth sem, na? Now actually you will have this fifth sem during fifth sem emergency posting will be there. In emergency posting, these two will be we will have you have to use these two terms and is these two things for for triaging and treating the patient. That's why I'm discussing these two topics. Next class I will discuss regarding trauma treatment, primary survey and secondary survey. Okay. This is so silly to ask these questions on these four colors. So that's why I'm not asking. You have to remember these four at least. Okay. If you don't know these four, no use to become a doctor. Okay. Even paramedical officers will know these four things because they are the first one to triage these patients. Paramedical officers is nothing but those who accompany the ambulance drivers. They will triage. The triage is of two types. One is triage at the site of the accident and triage at the in hospital. Okay. Hello. You understand these four things? Latecomers, those who came late. For latecomers, I am repeating just red is those who treatment, those who need treatment urgently. Yellow is need treatment but not urgent as red. It will be treated later on. Green is treatment can be given but you can avoid the treatment also. Black is death. Now we will discuss something about GCS. GCS is what is the full form of GCS? Can anyone say? Yeah, yeah. Only two people reply. Yeah, Glasgow Coma Scale. Glasgow Coma Scale maybe in emergency the CMO after ambulance comes, CMO will come rush to the ambulance and he will check some few things like airway breathing and GCS. GCS is predictor of patient outcome. Okay. If without GCS, you cannot admit the patient because if GCS is less than 8, patient needs ventilation. If you don't have ventilation, even though he was admitted, no use of no use without ventilation. Okay. Some important things in GCS. What is the minimum score and maximum score in GCS? GCS ranges. Someone answered 13. It's not 13. It's 15. No. Minimum 3. You have minimum 3. Minimum 3, max 15. Okay, someone tried to answer. That's good. Maybe she misplaced this 3 with this 3 and 5 over here. What are the components of GCS? I. How many I? Someone answered I. Okay, someone is answering. How many for I? No. Someone answered 5. It's 4. What about verbal? Verbal, it's 5. Next, someone answered motor also. What about motor? How many for motor? Yeah, someone answered. How do you know these all things? You learned on your some class completed over this or what? Forensic. Forensic में GCS हुआ? Medicine posting. Okay, good. These are important thing in emergency. These are important in everyone. No, sir. Class is completed. Okay. It's an important class. It's important thing. That's why I took whole class for GCS, and I am teaching like innovative because without PPT because you people also will follow. Otherwise, you will not follow this class. Okay. Its mnemonic is like E4 V5 M6. Okay. EVM. EVM, you know, no? EVM machines. Nowadays, so many are saying EVM scam, EVM scam. Nothing is like that. EVM is I, verbal, and motor. For you, this is EVM. Okay, it's easy to remember. Okay, guys. Now we will go to I. What are these four numbers? 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it 4, 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3, 4? In which way it is given? Highest means 4. 4 is for eyes open spontaneously. Spontaneous opening of eyes. Eyes open spontaneously. And next 3. 3 is for eyes open with verbal command. Open to sound. Verbal command. If you ask the patient name and all, he will give some. He will open his eyes. Okay. 2 is open eyes to pain. Yeah, someone said 2 is pain. Okay. To pain. And what is 1? Can someone say what is 1? Yeah. No opening. Okay. We will revise it later. We will complete first. Next, verbal. Verbal 5. Patient is oriented. You'll ask in medicine or surgery posting, na patient is well oriented with place and time and person. Orientation is that. Orientation is patient knows that where he is, where he was, and where accident happened, where he knows everything. That is orientation. Next, 4. 4 is confusion. Immediately after accident, maybe has someone encountered some accidents. Some patients are like patient will have confusion where he was, where he, because some neurological thing will happen and patient will feel like నేను ఎక్కడున్నాను, and they will ask like where I was, what happened. 3. These things you will see most probably in alcoholic patient. Inappropriate words. Words like they will talk irrelevant things. Okay, irrelevant things. Patient more than confusion. These are like irrelevant things. Like alcohol people will talking rubbish things. Then incompressible sounds, like no meaning of those sounds. They will sound like like that only. One is you can guess. Same like no opening, no talk. Same like in I, no opening is there, na? So same like that, no talk. Next, motor. What is 6 in motor? Obeys command. 5. Can anyone say 5? You already said it. You already read in medicine, na? Localizes to pain. What is meant by localizes to pain? Can anyone say? Those are listening to class, but you are not able to understand this localizes to pain. Okay, yeah. 2 people replied. Like if I pinch on his hand, he will localize the area of pinching by his other hand, like that. Localize the pain. 4. Withdraws to pain. It is nothing but if you pinch, he will withdraw his hand. He will not localize. He will withdraw. 654 3. Abnormal flexion. 2. Abnormal extension. What is this abnormal flexion and what is this abnormal pain? If you pinch or if you give any pain stimulus, abnormal flexion will be. Normal flexion is like withdraws, is like withdrawing. In abnormal flexion, some abnormal movement will be there. Like it is not a normal flexion. Sudden jerky movement and all. These are. Abnormal flexion is to pain, he will extend his limbs. Normally, he will flex, na? This is abnormal. One is no movement. Okay. Then now, what is this minimum and maximum scores? Minimum. What, there is no zero in this course. So 1, 1, 1. If minimum is 3. So what is meant by 3? No pain, no opening of eyes. Like if you want to see, no opening of eyes, no talk, no movements. What is this minimum 3? It represents, can anyone say? Yeah, dead. Patient is dead. Coma, unlikely, mostly dead. Okay. So someone thinks like this is one of the important question in your PG entrance also. Someone thinks like why minimum is 1, 2, 3, why not 0? Because there is no 0 in this EVM scores. So no 0 will be there. Only 3 is the minimum. And max 15. 15 means patient is normal. Patient can identify himself. Patient obeys commands. Patient opens eyes spontaneously. This is maximum. And what is important of if GCS is 8, 8 or less than 8, patient needs ventilation immediately. And patient concerned number of GCS is less than 13. If patient is less than 13, it need for admission. Less than 13, need for admission. These are some important numbers in GCS. Now I will revise. Triage. You don't forget this, na? Red, yellow, green, black, and GCS. GCS is Glasgow Coma Scale. E EVM 4, 5, 6. Now, if you have to see these four, these are all things. What is I4? I4 everyone knows, open spontaneously. What is I3? Yeah, opens to sound. What is I2? I will not ask everything, only just few things. I2. Someone said to sound. Okay, it's correct. I2 is to pain. Okay, it's correct. Then verbally, what is V3? I'm asking V3. Yeah, inappropriate words. Like in order you can remember this. And E2 is V2 is V2. Incomprehensible sound. Incomprehensible sounds. Okay. Nothing but co sounds and all. Next, M4. M4. These are some confusing numbers. That's why I'm asking. Yeah, with trust to pain. You have to remember in order. First, patient localized to pain. Next, with trust. Localizes and with trust. 5 4. Then what is 2? M2. As per new ATLS, okay, it's correct. So everyone should remember this GCS definitely. This is one of the important question in your final exams. Every year you can see every paper either 2 marks or 4 marks. This GCS will be there definitely because it required in every whole inter. Hmm, 5 marks. This important in every student's life, every medico's life. Okay. I want to tell one more point. According to ATLS guidelines 2018, if patient is on ventilation, previously it used to be said that if patient is on ventilation, add 1 point to V. If patient is on ventilation, you can see I signs, you can see M signs, but you can't see V signs because verbal patient is on ventilation means patient has ET tube, endotracheal tube intubation is there, so patient can't talk. So previously it used to say that E plus M plus 1 if patient is on ventilation. Now it is obsolete. Now patient then E plus M plus VT. VT is like patient is on intubation. So VT is the component of GCS if patient is on ventilation. Okay, you have to remember these all things. So now, sorry guys, time is already 10:30. So next teacher is waiting. So I am completing this class now. Okay, now everyone understand? You can read this once again. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.